Surprise, it's me, Sassysamey, Sam, here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, which I'm really excited because I don't think I did one for the last couple of months. So now we get to open it. This is the, what month is it? May Ipsy Glam bag. It's open. Ooh. So it comes in a bag like this. If you guys aren't sure or if you've never heard of Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription box and it's $10 a month, and they send you 4 to 5 products to try out. Some of them are full size, some of them are sample sizes, so it depends. So this is this month's design. It's like a it's like a passport, I get it. But the theme, oh, there it is. The theme this month is Go There theme. Super cute. I know, right? Super cute. So let's look inside. Oh my gosh, is this a little mini beauty blender? Okay, so this one is, I actually cannot read this. Is it SL Miss Glam? Anyways, it's a beauty sponge. It's actually really, really soft from what I can feel in the wrapper. I can get my handy dandy scissors. Ooh, this feels really, really soft. Ooh, I'm excited. I love trying, and I like that this one has a, you see that? It has a flat edge right here, so it's gonna be really great for right here, like putting it right here to like set your under eyes. I wonder how big this gets. Okay, so the next thing is by Elizabeth Moth. This is the Pop Goes the Eyeshadow, premium eyeshadow in mermaid teal. Ew, ooh, that's pretty. Let's swatch it. That looks so pretty. Ooh, wow, look at that. Wow, that is really pretty. That's gonna be really pretty for summertime. Ooh, I'm excited. Just imagine that all over the lids. Girl. That's a win. Okay, so the next thing in here is by Kenzie. Loving Life. It's by Kenzie. Looks like that. What is it? There's a coupon in here. Become a fan, free gift. Kenzie fragrance. Oh. So it is 50% off a gift set or a 3.4 ounce bottle. How cool. It's very travel friendly. Ooh, that one's actually really pretty. Ooh. It had a weird after smell though. I don't know about that. Damn, that's really strong. That's just wafting all up in my area right now, and I don't know how I feel about that. If you're looking for something to travel with, I got you. The next thing in here is by Tristique. I think that's how you say it. I feel like I always butcher that name. But this one is the Mini Matte Blur Stick. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. It kind of feels a little silicone-y. And feels like it would tug my skin. So I don't know if I would wear this. If I would apply it just directly on my skin, like on my face. But I don't know, I'll try it. It looks like a really good barrier though for like foundation, because you want to put a primer on, you want to moisturize your face, put a primer on, and then the primer acts as a barrier for the foundation against your face, so then that way you're not just putting foundation straight on your face. That's how you break out, girl. The next thing and the last thing in here is by NYX. I love their soft matte lip creams. So I know I already like this formula. This color though, this one is really pretty. This one is in Monte Carlo. Ooh, I don't think I have this one. My favorite part of opening stuff. All right, so this is in Monte Carlo. Let's swatch. This is a really pretty, I know I'm already gonna like it, so. Oh yeah, ooh, that's pretty. That is a beautiful deep blue red. Wow, wow, that's really pretty. Oh, I love the way that these smell. It smells like cake batter, but a really, really light scent. Like, it's not too overpowering and it's not too crazy. You can't smell it on your, like when it's on your lips, you can't smell it. So that's a good thing, because there are some lip glosses and lipsticks that smell and you're just like, wipe it off and you go. But anyways, that was everything that was in my box. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. If you guys are subscribed to Ipsy, definitely leave a comment down below and tell me what you got in your box. I will leave a link down below, so if you are interested in subscribing, you can go ahead and do that. That is it. I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you guys do want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, or any of my social media links, I will leave that down below or somewhere on the screen, probably up there. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Boom. Girl. Are you guys liking Upload Thursdays? Because I'm liking Upload Thursdays. You just... I don't think this one is actually magnetic because I'm loving it. Also, it smells like fart in here and I don't know what the hell it is. I literally feel like somebody like had like a baby diaper is in here. A baby diaper might be in here. Oh my god. Because the babies were over, so there might be a baby diaper in here. Okay. I gotta go find out if there's a diaper in here somewhere. Bye.